Alright, this video is similar to the last one in that we're trying to find the equation of a line. In this case, it's perpendicular to 2x plus 9. So the rule on lines that are perpendicular to each other, parallel lines have the same slope. Perpendicular lines, if the slope of one line is a, the other one is going to be negative 1 over a. We call it the negative reciprocal. So the slope of this original line is 2. That means that the slope of the line perpendicular to it will be 1 over 2, but negative. So our mystery line is going to have a slope of negative 1/2. So our equation will be negative 1/2 x plus b to start. But we also know it passes through 2, negative 4. So again, we can plug in 2 and negative 4. So y is negative 4 and 2 for x. And we're going to solve for b. So negative 4 equals negative 1/2 times 2 is negative 1 plus b. If I add 1 to each side, I get negative 3 equals b. So that means my equation is negative 1/2 x minus 3. And then we can test and see if this works. If I plug in 2, what do I get? So 2 times negative 1/2 is negative 1 minus 3. It does indeed give me negative 4. So this equation is a line perpendicular to this line, 2x plus 9, and it passes through 2, negative 4. Let's look at one more example. Here I'm looking for the equation of a line. So again, it's y equals mx plus b. I got to solve for m and b. It's perpendicular to this line, y equals negative 1/3 x plus 4. So if the original slope is negative 1/3, the new slope, the one perpendicular to it, is the reciprocal of that. So instead of 1 over 3, it'll be 3 over 1, and instead of negative, it'll be positive. Now, 3 over 1 is 3, so that means the slope of my perpendicular line is 3. So my mystery equation is y equals 3x, that's going to be perpendicular, plus b. It passes through the point 5, negative 2. So I'm going to plug in negative 2 for y and 5 for x. So 3 times 5 plus b. So I get negative 2 equals 15 plus b. I subtract 15 from each side. I get negative 17 as b. So the equation is 3x minus 17 is what I think, but I'm just going to plug in 5, negative 2 to confirm. If I plug in 5 for x, 15 minus 17 does in fact give me negative 2, so it checks out. So this line, 3x minus 17, is perpendicular to negative 1/3 x plus 4, and it passes through the point that it asks to pass through. And that's it. So again, all these are very similar strategies. We want to find the slope first, and then plug in a point and solve for the intercept. That's pretty much the way you go about it. So until next time, I am Derek Genova. Have a delightful day.